For centuries, religion has been a cornerstone of human life. It shapes our beliefs, guides our morals, and brings us together. But as the world evolves, so does our understanding of spirituality. In this video, we explore why religion matters and why the concept of Vishwa Dharma, a universal religion, might hold the key to a harmonious future. Why religion? Religion, its purpose and impact. Religion serves many purposes. It provides meaning and purpose to life, answers profound questions about existence, and offers comfort in times of uncertainty. For many, it's a source of hope and a guide for ethical living. But religion is more than personal belief. It's a social fabric, binding communities through shared traditions and values. Do you know Vishwa Dharma? Religion has guided us through the ages, but the time has come to evolve together. Vishwa Dharma is not about replacing beliefs. It's about finding common ground. Are you ready to embrace a universal path to peace, purpose, and progress? The journey begins with us. While the concept of Vishwa Dharma doesn't originate from a single individual, it has evolved through the contributions of ancient philosophies and modern visionaries. Figures like Swami Vivekananda and Gandhi played pivotal roles in articulating and popularizing the idea in contemporary times. It remains a guiding principle for those seeking unity, peace, and spiritual progress in a diverse world. While religion has historically unified communities, it has also been a source of division. In today's interconnected world, the concept of Vishwa Dharma, or universal religion, offers a new path. It transcends boundaries, embracing the idea that all humans are connected by shared values like compassion, justice, and respect. Traditional religious practices on one side, global unity, and environmental initiatives on the other. Religion is often tied to specific cultures and traditions, while Vishwa Dharma focuses on universal truths that apply to all humanity. It moves beyond rituals to emphasize shared ethics, global cooperation, and spiritual evolution. In this sense, Vishwa Dharma complements rather than replaces existing beliefs. Why Vishwa Dharma matters today? Meeting modern challenges with universal values. Our world faces unprecedented challenges: climate change, inequality, and polarization. Vishwa Dharma calls for collective action, encouraging us to focus on what unites us rather than what divides us. It integrates the wisdom of ancient traditions with the needs of a modern global society. Imagine a world where humanity works together for the common good, a world where diversity is celebrated and shared values drive progress. This is the vision of Vishwa Dharma, a philosophy that inspires unity, inclusivity, and a shared destiny for all. Religion has guided us through the ages, but the time has come to evolve together. Vishwa Dharma is not about replacing beliefs. It's about finding common ground. Are you ready to embrace a universal path to peace, purpose, and progress? The journey begins with us. Support by like and subscribe.